Hey guys, we're Rebecca
and Jessie
with Modern Vintage Events.
And this is Planning in Prosecco.
Worried about what to bring with you to the venue on your wedding day? Let's go over a quick wedding packing list.
First and foremost, make sure you have your dress and that it's been steamed, your shoes, and your
undergarments. And let's not forget the marriage license and the rings. In addition to these, here is a list of things we find helpful to take on wedding day.
Deodorant,
fashion tape,
hairspray,
mints,
a toothbrush,
some touch-up makeup,
bobby pins, safety pins,
all the pins, comfy shoes for dancing,
a phone and a charger,
tissues because you know you're going to cry,
stain remover,
snacks,
ibuprofen,
scissors,
tampons,
sunscreen,
bug spray,
more snacks, and
some
champagne. These are all the things we include in our wedding day emergency kit that we bring with us to every wedding. If this was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking here for more wedding planning tips.
You can also read more information on our blog at modernvintageevents.com.
Join us again soon for the next installment of Planning in Prosecco. Until then,
happy planning!